guys, welcome back to my fourth What I Eat in a Day video. So I forgot to film myself making breakfast, but I'll just show you what I'm eating because it's really simple. So I'm having this granola. It's called Bare Naked, the triple berry flavor. That flavor is vegan and it's really, really good. And then I had leftover cranberries from making cranberry sauce during Thanksgiving, so I just blended up almond milk, frozen bananas, and cranberries, and so I have a banana and cranberry smoothie, and it's really good. Never made it before, but it is really good. You guys should try it. And then I'm drinking some water. And that's pretty much it for breakfast. I will see you during lunch. Now I'm just having a Scooter's mocha made with coconut milk. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it's actually snowing pretty hard. So, yeah. Alright guys, it is lunchtime, so let's go make some lunch. Now I'm just draining out my chickpeas, and I will be making whipped cream with this, which I will make a video on next week. And now I'm just gonna put them in the oven for a little bit. And I put some salt and pepper on them. And I'm just heating up some mashed potatoes left over from Thanksgiving. I'm also gonna have some spinach. And I've been loving tahini on my salads lately. And here's me struggling to scrape it onto the salad. I also put red wine vinegar on it. And some lemon juice. And I also added a few tomatoes. And that is it for my lunch. Here is a little snow update for you guys. Now I'm just having some vegan pizza for dinner. And I'm putting some pizza spice on it. And I'm having some veggies with it: carrots, celery, broccoli, cauliflower, and peas. And that is it for my dinner. Hey guys, it's the next day, and I found out last night that we have a snow day today, so that's really exciting. So that is what I eat in a day, and I didn't really do that much cooking compared to what I usually do, but I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye!